Oh my gosh. They're running out of batteries. They can even crawl on carpet. That's really, really thick. See, like that blue one that went in my room, it's crawling on the carpet. Well, and they can get caught in your cat's fur. And they'll run around and screech, probably. This is the clear one's remote. Wow. Oh, that doesn't sound good. When it goes, ah! They flip too. See? They stay stuck for a while, but they eventually get their stuff unstuck. They never give up unless their batteries are dead. Then you charge them on your laptop. See? You charge them on your laptop. They charge for 20 some minutes and last like maybe 10 minutes.